Been a long time coming. Been a long time coming. Welcome to another episode of AfroBase Reaction. And today we have Cough, like his Daniel. New one he just dropped 2 days ago. Before we get into this video, sure to like, sure to leave a like, sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification button so that whenever we drop, you're the first to know. Sure to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the song, about my videos, about my channel. And be sure to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about AfroBase TV, AfroBase Reaction. Before without wasting much time, let's not talk too much. Let's get into this video. Let's see what Daniel has for us.
All right, go.
And before we continue, let me tell you something. Daniel not recognized, and the guy has no bad song on his record. Never put out a song that, to me, I've never heard of any of his songs that turns me off. Guy is talented. Any talented person or any talented on a global scale. I have to say that from me. I don't know what you think. Yeah, leave a like. Leave a comment in the comment section about what you think about his Daniel's songs. Never disappointed me so far. Has he disappointed you ever? Leave a comment. Let's go.
All right, go. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a.
Let's just listen to the melody. Listen to his. He has not even used his soft melody. He's just using his raw voice thing. And listen to how it sounds. Sweet. Man, I'm tempted to start this again. Let's start again, but I don't interrupt it with my talks.
All right, go. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. Odoyewu, Odoyewu, yeah, Odoyewu, 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 yeah, Odoyewu, Odoyewu, yeah, Odoyewu, yeah, Odoyewu. Odoyewu, yeah. You know that my body calling, and your body picking. Loving you, they make me forget, say I get problem. By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a bestie, Danny bro, You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. She me you come through when your heartbreak.
Okay, you know what the song is about? It's not about his girlfriend or fiancé or wife. It's about his bestie. Bestie that is a girl, a beautiful girl. He's always with him, his best friend. They don't they are not always intimate, but anytime she gets a heartbreak from a guy or a different guy, from a guy to a guy, he comes and lean on his shoulder. Sometimes he gets food from him to go feed his guys. This time he's telling her, enter bathroom, go fresh up. Because he's not going to agree anymore. Not going to agree to that shit. He's been loving you. That's why I've always said to anybody I have this conversation with, you can never have a bestie, do opposite sex, without one falling in love with you. If they don't tell you, they don't tell you. Give them a chance. Just give them a chance and see what they will do to you. So don't be fooled if your girlfriend tells you she has a bestie who is a male she has been visiting. Man, you must be dumb for that story. Very, very dumb. Let's go.
It's your bestie, Danny bro, You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. She me you come through when your heartbreak, push and she heartbreak. Now me they buy dinner for your man then.
Me they buy dinner for your man them. Enter bathroom, go fresh up, and come meet me for bed. That's basically what he's saying.
Trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. She me you come through when your heartbreak, push and she heartbreak. Now me they buy dinner for your man then. Enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up.
Daniel is a beast when it comes to melodies, when it comes to he can deliver on every genre: R&B, hip hop, Afrobeat, hip life, high life, name it, house music. The guy has the voice to do it. Give him his flowers. Could have had a couple of like prestigious awards like Grammys by now. It's good. Let's pay this spade. Thanks for watching, guys. Sure to leave a like, sure to subscribe, sure to leave a comment section. And yeah, see you in the next video. Definitely see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.